of the year.
Hey, you kids, get out of here. It's gonna flood.
Would you please get out of there now?
Guys, Max, get out of here. It's gonna flood. Maddie, Max, are you okay? Jesse, are these your kids? Guys, are you guys okay? What does TLC say? Don't go chasing waterfalls? Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all. Baby, no, you're moving too fast. I seen a rainbow yesterday in too many storms.